All right, we're back at it again. We got another Jaguar ignition lock repair we're going to do. This one doesn't turn, as you see, doesn't turn at all. So we're going to go ahead, tear it apart, rebuild it, change some parts, repair it, make sure it's working nice and smooth. Probably end up cutting another key blade. Key blade's all jacked up on this one. That's about it. Ain't really much to say. I'll come back in a little bit. This came from automotive repair shop, so I'm going to hurry up and get this done for them so they can get their customer back on the road. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. I changed out the button pad. I changed out the blade. I do have key blades that will fit in the original Jaguar keys. Some of the keys, let me see, I got some keys over here. See if I can show you the difference. All right, this one has a groove on the side. That one has a groove on the side, but some of them have grooves on both sides. They won't work the OEM key. It only work the aftermarket. So just keep in mind, it's not as simple. When you call, you say, oh, I just want a key blade cut. It's not as simple as switching out blades sometimes, depending on what kind of key you have. If you got an OEM key or if you have an aftermarket key. But let's get back to this. A lot has went on with this. Like I said, I take it apart, had to rebuild it, change parts, make sure it was nice and working nice and smooth. This is the old key. It will work, but it's a little, I could feel the difference in here. It's a little shabby. I don't suggest using this because this will make this go bad again. So if you have an old key, just stop using it. Use the new key like this one. Let me see, I don't have a switch in there. So here we go. I got a use switch here. Customer, they kept the switch, but here you go. 1, 2, spring back. All the way off. So that's about it. It's what I do. I rebuild them. What I'll do is I'll rebuild it. I'll cut a new key. If your key looks like this is in real bad shape, then I'm gonna end up cutting a new key blade or a key shell, whatever I got to do to make it work. Really not much to say. I know some of y'all call me and say, this is a crappy design. Not really. This car right here is a 07 XJ8. So you figure 07 all the way to now, that's pretty good for it to just now be getting rebuilt or replaced or whatever. Most of y'all probably replacing them. Most of y'all probably going to the junkyard and getting used ones. But keep in mind, if you're buying a used one, you're about to have that problem real soon because you don't know how far gone that cylinder is. I always suggest rebuilding them that way. The parts inside them get rebuilt or replaced. I usually put brand new wafers or tumblers inside there. That way it extends the life of the lock. I usually cut new key blades or key shells or whatever I got to do. So the parts on the inside, basically brand new and add you years of life to it. The used lock from the junkyard or the one you buy on the internet, if it's used, keep in mind it's used. It's going to have a lot of wear and tear. And the problem that you are facing now, you might be facing it again real soon, buying something used. But that's about it. Now, those of y'all that call me and wonder why there's certain people that can't do this type of work. For one, I was around. I've been doing this since 1990, so I've been around a long time messing around with this stuff. I've done a lot of XJ8s, Vanderplage, you name it. I've been dealing with these keys for a long time, so I have a thorough understanding of how the locks work, how the keys interact in the lock, what needs to happen to make the lock turn, and what problems make the lock fail. So, that's just my experience. I've been doing it a little more than 30 years now. But the people in your area, they may not see enough of these to justify buying equipment or even justify trying to even learn it. These don't come all the time. As you see, I got another one here next. This is the next one I got to do. This one I think is it's an S Type. No, I think it's an XJ. I got to look at the paperwork. But anyway, there's another one right there. I believe it's an XJ8. But yeah, so if the people in your area don't do it, it's because they don't see a lot of it and they don't have a lot of experience doing it. Basically, that's just the gist, and then they don't have the equipment or the parts to deal with it. So if you need my help, this is what I do. I've been doing it a long time. Give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's basically it. You give me 3-4 days. I need it because I'm actually the one doing it. I'm not the one outsourcing it. So I'm the person that actually do it. So give me 3-4 days. I could turn it right back around. You put it back in your car. You back up and running. And that's about it. If you have any other issues, electrical problems, stuff like that, that's not my jam. That's not what I do. You're gonna have to consult a mechanic. That's what they do. I deal with the keys, locks, transponder systems, stuff like that. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. I appreciate y'all, all you mechanics that's constantly sending me work. I appreciate y'all. The rest of y'all, I appreciate y'all too. I'll catch y'all on the next one.